Did you know that garlic has been used for thousands of years, not just for flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits? It's packed with antioxidants and can boost your immune system like no other. Garlic is often credited with having numerous health benefits, from reducing cholesterol levels to fighting off cancer cells. Its reputation as a healthy addition to our diets is well known, but there's more to garlic than meets the eye. Garlic has some shocking effects on our bodies that not many people are aware of, and that's what we're going to explore today. Garlic has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, used not only for its distinct flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and China all recognized the power of garlic, using it to treat a variety of ailments. Its historical use is a testament to its versatility and effectiveness in promoting health and well-being. Different cultures have used garlic in unique ways, from cooking and medicine to spiritual rituals and protection. Garlic's use in medicine dates back thousands of years, with ancient doctors using it to treat everything from skin conditions to intestinal parasites. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties made it a valuable tool in the fight against disease, and it was often used in conjunction with other herbs and remedies. The pungent smell of garlic was also believed to have healing properties, and it was used to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck. Garlic's medicinal properties are still recognized today, and it's often used to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. Its active compounds have been shown to have a positive effect on heart health, lowering cholesterol and blood pressure in some individuals. Whether used raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic remains a popular choice for those looking to improve their health and well-being. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a great addition to meals during cold and flu season. It's also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Eating garlic regularly can also help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, both of which are major risk factors for heart disease. Garlic can also have some negative effects on the body, particularly when consumed in large amounts. It can cause bad breath, bloating, and gas in some individuals, and may interact with certain medications. Garlic can also exacerbate existing health conditions, such as acid reflux and stomach ulcers. Its strong smell can also be overwhelming for some people, making it difficult to consume in large amounts. The way garlic is prepared and consumed can also impact its effects on the body. Raw garlic is often more potent than cooked garlic and may be more effective at reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. However, cooking garlic can make it easier to digest, reducing the risk of stomach upset and other negative side effects. Garlic can also be used to help reduce stress and anxiety, as it contains compounds that have a calming effect on the body. It's also been shown to improve cognitive function, particularly in older adults, and may help reduce the risk of age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. In terms of diet, garlic can be a great addition to a healthy meal plan, adding flavor and nutrients to a variety of dishes. It's particularly useful for those following a plant-based diet, as it can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of chronic disease. However, it's worth noting that not all garlic is created equal, and the quality of the garlic can impact its effects on the body. Fresh, organic garlic is often more potent than conventionally grown garlic, and may be more effective at promoting health and well-being. Garlic can also interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners and diabetes medications. It's essential to talk to a doctor before consuming large amounts of garlic, especially if you're taking any prescription medications. In terms of daily health choices, incorporating garlic into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Whether you add it to your meals, take it in supplement form, or use it as a natural remedy, garlic is a versatile and effective way to promote health and reduce the risk of disease. As Dr. Johnson, a leading nutritionist, says, garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients and compounds that can have a significant impact on our health. Its effects on the body are multifaceted, and it's essential to understand both the benefits and drawbacks of consuming garlic. According to recent studies, garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's also been shown to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in reducing the risk of colorectal and prostate cancer. Many health professionals agree that garlic is a valuable addition to a healthy diet and can be used in a variety of ways to promote health and well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, or simply add some flavor to your meals, garlic is a great choice. Garlic is a complex and multifaceted food that can have a significant impact on our health, from its antibacterial and antiviral properties to its potential to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Garlic is a valuable addition to any diet. Its effects on the body are varied, and it's essential to understand both the benefits and drawbacks of consuming garlic. By incorporating garlic into your daily health choices, you can promote overall health and well-being and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Garlic is a simple and effective way to take control of your health, and its benefits are backed by science. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, garlic is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, garlic is a shocking superfood that can have a significant impact on our health, and it's essential to understand its effects on the body. By making informed choices about garlic consumption, we can promote overall health and well-being and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Don't forget to share your own experiences with garlic in the comments below, and check out our other video on the top 5 health benefits of turmeric.